manage that. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd like to see you try!
On my scrawny ass was grass! What happened, huh? I'm waiting! You're looking a lot sharper than before. Tell me, what's the reason that keeps you fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle. I guess.
Ah, so you've been living the good life with public safety?
It ain't all good. Have to put up with a nag and a brat. But hey, could be worse. So like it or not, I'm kicking your ass. Miss Makimo praised me all day for it.
Cocky for someone who has no hope of winning.
What? You really think you've got me beat already? If I got a pulse, I got a chance!
You have nothing.
Where is it? Whoa, 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 whoa!
About honor, trying to justify his actions and his cause, suggesting that Denji is nothing more than a tool for the government. Katana Man claims that he's fighting for revenge and justice, framing himself as a righteous warrior.
Dude, that move's bad, starting now!
Philosophical debate. His character, Denji dismisses Katana Man's speech with humor, refusing to take it seriously. This moment highlights the stark contrast between the two. While Katana Man is caught up in ideas of honor, Denji is focused on survival and enjoying the small pleasures in life.
Few breaths to apologize for killing Granddad.
Who says I can't still fight? Chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery.
The dick and predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? He should know better than to trust what a hunter says! Should've gone for the legs, sucker!